Now let's move along to this area right here. Looking behind the door handle, you're going to see a rectangular panel. To remove that, I'm going to use a small flathead screwdriver. Come right up along the top, there's a little groove. I can put it in, press, and it should want to pop free. After that, looking behind, you're going to find 2 Phillips head screws. Remove them. There's one down here. There's also one in the top right-hand corner. Now we can carefully grab on underneath this area. We're going to gently pull it away, and that exposes this metal rod right here. Now looking where it connects on to the handle, you can see it has this locking mechanism. For this, all you want to do is press along the top ear to separate it from the rod. Now once the lock is off of there, you can gently pry the rod up and away from the handle. Now we can get ready to install that inside door handle. Looking at the inside, you remember this area. What we're going to need to do while we're putting this together is to take that rod, slide it down and through here. Now once it's down and inside there, you're also going to want to take this piece and bring it around the rod, just like this, and lock it in position. Spin this around. And then we'll lock it in. Sometimes you can do that just with your fingers. Sometimes you also have to use pliers. Once you have it in there, we're just going to take it, slide it into position, and now we can grab both of our Phillips head screws and put them in. Now we can reinstall that rectangle cover. Looking at the back side, you can see that down along the bottom area there's 2 tabs, and along the top you have 1 locking tab. Let's take this, we're going to put it in position starting with the bottom. Once it's in, lock it in by pressing the top.